Now it's time for Coffee with Kurt.
I work for Cars Child and Adult Resource Services, and I work down towards Louisville.
Cool.
Towards Kentucky.
And what is your job title?
I'm an employment consultant.
Okay, how many years have you been doing that?
18 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes.
So, what do you learn this week from Tiffany and Naomi?
You know what? I've actually picked up some good ideas that I can take back to work, to where I can use some of the cues to where I can help the individuals that I work with. So it's kind of nice to pick up. It's kind of like a toolbox.
It
you never
is.
have enough tools. You
Absolutely.
Never have enough tools.
So, what's your hobbies?
Well, I tell you what, as you can tell, I have a motorcycle, a Harley. I like to ride.
Oh, cool.
I live on a small 40-acre farm, so I have
wow.
pygmy goats and ponies and chickens and all that kind of stuff. So I kind of live out in the country.
Yeah. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is, I know it sounds weird, but I like black.
You do? And
Yes.
then what's your favorite vacation spot?
Oh, I like going to the beach.
Cool.
I like going to where the ocean is.
So, got any plans for Memorial Day?
You know, I'll probably stay.
Watch the race?
Well, I do like going to the race. I went last year.
You did?
I don't think I'll go this year, but I just bought a pontoon boat.
Oh, wow.
Camper, so I'll probably take the pontoon boat out on the lake and stuff like that.
So you're going to watch the big wedding?
You know what? I don't know if I can get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to do that.
Yeah.
You know what? I think that's why I like what they call DVR.
Yes.
I think I'll watch it at like 9. So no, I tell you what, I'm from, you're probably too young. There's a place where I'm from, Seymour, it's called Small Town. And there's a guy that he's my cousin.
Yeah?
And he has a song called Small Town. His name is John Mellencamp.
He's your cousin?
He is my cousin, and that's why I'm
Second?
Yeah,
Second, as your mom's side or dad's side?
His grandpa, or my grandpa and his grandma are brothers and sisters.
Wow.
So a lot of times when he's used to shoot videos there in Seymour, I'd get calls where the secret sites are and go watch the videos being made and stuff like that.
So is John still married now, or is he?
Right now, he's not seeing, he was seeing Christy Brinkley, but they broke up.
Yeah.
And now he's seeing another famous actress, Meg Ryan.
Oh, yes? Yeah, they've been off and on, haven't they?
They're thinking about it. We have hearing family rumors that they might be getting married. He owns a piece of property in Hilton Head, South Carolina.
He does? So they are getting married, or is it just rumors?
Well, I don't know. I haven't heard any confirms yet.
Ooh, cool. Glad to see you, Bill.
Well, I'll tell you what, I appreciate you.
Yes,
Talk to
you too, yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
All right.